vast steppes of Mongolia, a legend was born, one that would shape the course of history. Genghis Khan, a name synonymous with power and conquest, emerged from humble beginnings to unite the Mongol tribes, igniting a fire that would blaze across continents. His charisma and ruthless determination transformed the fragmented land into the largest contiguous empire the world had ever seen. Genghis Khan was not just a conqueror, he was a visionary. His leadership qualities were unmatched. With intelligence and tactical genius, he rallied disparate tribes, forging alliances and loyalty with both fear and respect. His charisma was a force that inspired countless followers, driven by the dream of an empire connecting east to the west. The Mongol invasions were not merely battles, they were epic tales of strategy and valor. Genghis Khan's campaigns swept through Asia into Europe, leaving an indelible mark on the world. Cities fell before his might, and his army utilized innovative tactics that changed warfare forever. Each victory echoed with the cries of triumph, but also the sorrow of those who lost everything. In the wake of his conquests, Genghis Khan established trade routes, fostering cultural exchanges that would flourish for centuries. His legacy is not just one of destruction, but of unification and innovation. The Silk Road thrived, linking diverse civilizations, a testament to his vision of a connected world. As we reflect on the legacy of Genghis Khan, we see a figure who taught the world about resilience and ambition. His life challenges us to consider our own paths. What can we learn from this titan of history? The lessons of unity, leadership, and the courage to dream beyond boundaries resonate even today, reminding us that greatness often rises from the most unlikely